Hi, I'm Liz, founder of Herbal TEAS Australia. This is our organic herbal tea that we've named Cough. Now the herbs that I've used in the cough tea are referred to as the singer's herbs, and the reason is thyme, which is antibacterial, and marshmallow root, which soothes the throat, will help to settle, both of them will help to settle most throat irritations, including an itchy throat from hay fever. Now marshmallow root is a mucilage, so it puts a gel-like coating on the throat, and that's how it can settle, say, an itchy throat from hay fever. Other ingredients are sage, which is antiseptic, and chamomile, which is calming. The tea is ideal for people who use their voice professionally, like singers or public speakers. It's also a great alternative for children with a sore throat and a cough. Now one customer, Maree, told me that she's been using the cough tea for the last 2 years to treat her hay fever, and it's had remarkable results, and she tells me that it works better than any of the artificial meds that she's ever used. I also have another testimonial from a customer. Well, actually, it was the friend of a customer who purchased the cough tea, and she says that she can't believe the difference that this has made. Excuse me, I think I need a cup. Her hay fever symptoms and her cough have diminished, and she's feeling much better, and she's been drinking the tea each day. And that's from a lady called Lynn from Notting Hill. There are absolutely no colours, preservatives or flavourings used in these herbal teas, and from every 50-gram packet you will get a minimum of 100 cups of tea.